Hello students, in 10th standard CBSE textbook exercise 3.3 question number 3 sixth subdivision solve by substitution method. What is the question? 5 years hence age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Another one condition, 5 years ago Jacob's age 7 times that of his son. Okay, this is discussing about Jacob and his son. Okay. What is first condition? 5 years hence. So, let me take present age of. Let present age of Jacob be X and present age of his son be Y. This is present age. Present age of Jacob is X. Percentage of his son is Y. First condition, 5 years hence. So after this is present age. 5 years hence now. That means what? 5 years hence Jacob's age. X plus Y. So additionally 5 years. Same 5 years hence his son's age, Y plus Y. Okay. The same thing 5 years ago, backward. So present age is X. 5 years ago means what? 5 years ago. What is Jacob's age? Before that, X minus 5. 5 years ago, present age is X. Therefore, 5 years ago means X minus 5. Same 5 years ago is son's age. Y minus 5. Okay. If you take the first condition, 5 years hence age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 3 times that of his son. First condition given. Jacob age is 3 times that of his son. So simplifying this, X plus 5 equal to 3Y plus 15. Take the equation, take this 3Y here, X minus 3Y equal to 15, take this 5 here, 15 minus 5, which is X minus 3Y equal to 10. This is equation number 1. Okay. Second condition, 5 years ago, Jacob's age 7 times that of his son. So this is 5 years ago. X minus 5 is 7 times the Y minus 5. So X minus 5 equal to 7Y minus 35. So take this 7Y here, X minus 7Y minus 35. Take this 5 here, plus 5. That is minus 30. That is equation number 2. Now, as usual, solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2 by substitution method. Take equation number 1 from 1. X minus 3Y equal to 10. Therefore, X equal to 10 plus 3Y. Substitute X equal to 10 plus 3Y in second equation. X minus 7Y, applying X for X 10 plus 3Y minus 7Y equal to minus 30. That is what? 3Y minus 7Y is minus 4Y. That is 10. Take this minus 30 here, plus 30. 3Y minus 7Y minus 4Y. Taking it that side, 4Y. So 4Y equal to 40. Therefore, Y equal to 40 by 4, 10. So substitute this Y value in any one equation, 1 or 2. X minus 3 into 10 equal to 10. X minus 30 equal to 10. X equal to 10 plus 30. Therefore, X equal to 40. So what is X actually? Present age of Jacob age is X. So Jacob age is 40 years and his son age is 10 years. You just compare, verify this. First condition, 5 years hence. So present age of Jacob is 40, this is 10. 5 years hence his age is become 45, this is 15. So 3 times, 3 15s are 45, right? 5 years ago his age is 35, his age is 5. So 7 times. So both the conditions are verified. So the Jacob's age is 40 years and his son's age is 10 years.